In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to age restrict channels on your server in Discord. If you manage a Discord server and want to make sure certain conversations or media are only visible to adults, age restricting a channel is the simplest and most effective way to do it. This setting adds an 18+ gate to the channel, so members who don't meet the age requirement or who haven't confirmed their age with Discord won't be able to view it. Before we start, make sure you have the right permissions on the server. You'll need permission to manage channels or have administrator access. If you don't see the options I'm about to show you, check with a server admin to confirm your role permissions. Let's walk through it. In your channel list on the left side of Discord, find the channel you want to restrict. Move your mouse over that channel's name. When you hover, a small gear icon appears to the right of the channel name. Click that gear to open the channel's settings. This is where you control the details for just that channel. Inside the channel settings, you'll land on the Overview tab. This is where Discord keeps the most important options for the channel. Look for the age-restricted channel option. It's a simple toggle. Turn it on to mark the channel as age-restricted. Depending on your client, Discord may save this automatically. If you see a Save Changes button, click it to confirm. That's it. The channel is now age-restricted. Once enabled, members who try to access the channel will see a content warning and will need to confirm they are 18 or older. Users who are underage or whose account age doesn't meet the requirement won't be able to enter. This setting applies to that specific channel, so you can be selective about where you enable it. It's a good idea to include a clear channel topic or description that explains what type of content belongs there, so everyone understands why the restriction is in place. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the toggle, make sure you're editing a standard text or voice channel and that your account has permission to manage channels. Consider reviewing your server rules to remind members of what belongs in age-restricted spaces and what does not. And remember, age restriction is one part of keeping your community safe. Always follow Discord's guidelines and your local laws. To recap, hover over the channel, click the gear icon, go to Overview, and enable age restriction. That's all you need.